Hey fellas, do you like big juicy Trixie Mattel?
You didn't know, did you?
Jasmine Masters, okay, follow her.
Give the big girl some shots. The good and juicy. If you had to have sex with an animal, and I'm talking a talking animal. This is not
You don't have to
bestiality.
convince me.
Continue.
Continue. You had me at sex with an animal. So if I had to have sex with an animal again, which would it be?
I just looked very long into her eye.
While I was drinking and I didn't break it either and it creeped me out. I came. And you're coming your own ass.
Are you gonna be called daddy? Do you like that?
No, because I'm baby.
Excuse me, ma'am. You were speeding, and then I looked.
Oh no, let me just get my driver's license and registration. Driver's license, registration. I didn't think there was a problem, officer. Have a great day. Oh. That's what it is. That's what it is. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Or like bow wow, bow wow.
Oh, definitely. This is turning into a murder movie. Who was that? My daughter's dead. Now, what did you say about the bread again?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm the chemical burn from the spiral perm, Trixie Mattel. What? You have the nerve. You have a lot of nerve.
I have no ass.
Oh, you want like a little bubble, like a little.
Yeah.
Would you want some of my fat in your butt? Because that way I don't have to. You want some of my fat in your butt? Because that way it's not gonna be. I can sound like a donor. I can get plastic surgery and be like, I'm doing this for my friend. Like she needs a kidney.
Yes, yeah.
But she needs my flab. You want my fat in your butt?
Becoming an adult person, you realize that the boogeyman is not real. The real boogeyman is what? Poverty.
Oh, I'm very afraid of bees. Very afraid of bees. Why is that funny? I'm so scared of bees.
Well, that's the boogeyman.
Hey, Mom.
Have some kind of gay talking going on. The whole hallway smells like cum. I can't. Hillary Clinton found you guys raw dogging it. So. I don't know if it's acting because I don't really understand the female sexual response. But when it's.
That's an understatement.
I don't! The best thing you got to look forward to is to what, maybe a few days a month you get to roll around some bocce ball.
Bocce ball.
Like straight people stuff. People love bocce ball.
Bocce ball.
Yeah.
Bocce ball.
Straight guys take the bocce ball and they're like, yeah. Doesn't this feel like a boob? They do. And they would come up on stage and it'd be like, yeah, you, it's your birthday. And, do you know what I mean?
I love that.
Like making fun of people for having a birthday.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, your birthday.